Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can save a photo in Pinterest. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and open Pinterest. After you open Pinterest, log into your account. If you don't have your account, don't you worry because you can sign up for Pinterest quite easily. After you log into your account and select the pins you want to see, you will see this type of interface. You can see that there are options over here. If you click on the three lines, you can see download image. If you want to download the image to your PC, you can do that as well. Just go ahead and click on download image and it will be downloaded on your downloads folder or whatever location or storage you have chose for your downloads. If you want to save it, just go ahead and click on save. And as soon as you click save, it will be saved on some of the boards which you had previously saved it to. But if you want to change the destination of the saved files on your Pinterest account, just go ahead and click on the photo and you can see the saved option. Just go ahead and click on this drop down menu and you can see some of your boards. If you don't have a board and want to create one, you can do that too. Just go ahead and click on create board, write down the name of the board. If you want to keep it a secret, you can do that too by enabling it. You can invite collaborators by writing down their email address or name and selecting them and click create. After that, you can save them in another board as well. So guys, this is how easy it is to save any photos or any pins from Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.